Students pursuing their master's degrees or BA honors in English literature usually have a question in which all subjects they can appear for NET examination if they want to go into interdisciplinary fields. So of course, English literature is one of the basic subjects that you can apply for. But besides English literature, it depends on your specialization, what you have done in your master's, what specialization you have taken, and based on that, there are certain other subjects in which you can also consider to write your NET examination. So that includes comparative literature as another important subject. There is another important subject that you can actually consider is linguistics. However, linguistics is very vast. So if you have covered just one paper of linguistics in your master's course and you plan to go for linguistics, check the syllabus very carefully. Linguistics is a vast, in-depth subject, and if you have a scientific aptitude only, then take linguistics as one of the subjects for UGC NET only, then plan for it. Students who are focusing on modern Indian drama, modern Indian concepts, can also go for two other subjects, which is folk literature as one of the subjects, and Indian culture again. Now, Indian culture is a paper for which I would say students from history can also consider Indian culture as one of the subjects. But definitely, if you want to go for Indian culture, you would have to go a little rigorous besides the English literature core paper, right? So those are some of the key important things that we have covered here. We would be covering for important subjects and preparation guidelines for your UGC NET examination. So any of the subject that you want to go for, the complete list is available here. For example, women studies is one of the subjects that many of the students from English literature wish to opt for, and they actually do well with women studies. They have a separate section during their masters in some of the specializations. Specifically, some of the good universities do offer courses, and these students also do good with women studies as one of the papers in UGC NET. So prepare well, practice well. In case you have any questions, feel free to connect back.